You can develop ERP on Java, you can develop ERP on .NET, Visual Basic, any kind of open source you can develop ERP. You can convert the reports. Basically, ERPs are taken only to get you more and more better reporting generation. So if you want those reports to be converted into any kind of format, today you want to convert it to Excel sheet, or you want to convert it to HTML format or PDF format, that can be done in ERP segment. It is a highly user friendly. Today ERPs can run on Windows, it can run on Linux, it can run on Unix. So you can increase the promotion activities, you can improve relationship between the employee and the employer. So productivity is always increased. That is what any kind of business requires today. When we try to show you in bar graph, it will always show you what is the difference when ERP was not there in your company and ERP was implemented in your company. This will always show you the difference. The ROI was very less when ERP was implemented, how it grew up, the efforts have reduced down, the efficiency has increased. This will make you understand more better when you try to show it in the pictorial representation. The ERP has always helped any kind of organization to grow faster and better. The management is done very, very nicely. There is no exact question at right time. If business is running at about, they can take some conclusive measure to overcome those defects at right time. Key features of ERP: up-to-date information on your fingertips. Today, most of the management people are traveling abroad or traveling anywhere. They have the laptops and internet connection. Anywhere they can sit down and they can access what is the exact position of their company's growth, what is their sales position today, 1 hour back, what has been the sales position, what is the purchase position, what is the funds position, what is the bank position. Each and every information, minute information about the company, we can always get. We are talking about bigger organization where they are having 200 crore, 300 crore, 500 crore turnover. The transaction volumes are very huge. Where you cannot manually, you cannot, the figures have to be very precise when you talk to some management people. They need to know where exactly they stand on that particular time, so they can take the corrective measures if anything is required. You don't need to involve staff fetching. See, if you are working for a smaller organization and if a management wants some report, he will always go to intercom and call that particular account, come down to my table, come on, what is the sales position, what is the account position, what is the bank position. He will only ask him, and so he is wasting a lot of time of the employee also, because he might be working there in some urgent work, and he coming down to your place and going back again, giving you report will always waste away his half an hour time. But same thing if you have access your data through the ERP, you need not call me. You are saving a lot of time for the employer as well. Data available 365 days, 24 hours. If you are working in 4 industries and 6 days is working, Sundays if somebody wants some report generation, it is not possible because everybody is on holiday. You will have to wait on Monday, somebody has to come down and then report it. You always, if somebody really wants the report, it becomes very difficult on Sunday. But with ERP, you can get any time the information what you require all 365 days. See, as I told you, all departments of any kind of organization are referred to as modules in ERP. ERP is a compilation of a single package of different modules in it. And each and every module will conquer each and every day-to-day process, business process of that particular department. If you are talking about middle management, you have a lot of process involved that you have procurement, inventory management, MRP, you have invoice verification, vendor verification, the SIN, the countrywide, your addition is there, you have quality management, master logistics, inventory management, you have in finance, you have general ledger accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, profitability analysis. Each and every minute business process is involved in that particular module. So whatever you do in day-to-day activity, that kind of report can be generated in that way. It is a compilation of that particular, and each and every module is again interconnected with each other. See, if I sell some item, it will always affect my finance, it will always affect my metal management. So one entry passed into sales distribution will always affect all the modules. So you need to pass separate entry into separate modules, separate departments. So this makes the work more easier and more smoother in any organization. What will be the management interested to know? Any kind of businessman will always want to know the correct relation as today's status he wants to know. Today, say Shell Petroleum runs on SAP software. Even 1 liter of petrol or diesel at a particular moment, immediately the information is stored in the server. So 1 hour back, what is your sales position, how many liters of diesel or how many liters of petrol I have sold? The management sitting down in Germany or management sitting in Delhi, anywhere, the management sitting down, he can access the information. How many liters of petrol, how many liters of diesel I have sold, how many cars countries are in, how many have come on for his attendance, what is the attendance schedule, what is the salary given, what is the purchase, what is the fund position, what is the bank position, each and every information. For any kind of organization, any bigger group today who wants consolidated group financial reporting needs ERP. The faster closing of books is available, the option is available in ERP. your annual records, you will always another 20 days to close your book of accounts. Say March 1st is your financial year, at least April, May or May only. After 5 days, you will be able to close your book of accounts. But in ERP, you can do it very faster comparative to the manual recording. Centralized management. Today, your management need not travel to each and every branch to get information. They can sit down in office and centralized management can be taken care by ERP. Reduction in IT costs due to consolidation, because you're consolidating the whole group into one software solution. You will be saving a lot of amount on IT investment. Compliance with regulations. Lot of regulatory authorities like your sales tax, your income tax, your board or your service tax department. Each and every regulatory authority you can apply with. And real time to today's status. Today's real time status I can get when I have a ERP. So these are the reasons why ERP is required for any kind of organization. So slowly when ERP requirements started arising into the market, then a lot of companies came into existence. They brought their own ERP products into the market. Even a software engineer, a Java or a .NET engineer, he can also design a software or a ERP package based on the customer's requirement, because he is capable of doing that. Here companies also came down into existence. There is a very big market today, global market where they can fetch a lot of amount. Once you sell this software, you can always charge them the AMC amount where they can start getting the profit. So software industry, that is the reason why they are making a lot of money. Manpowers are given a lot of salaries because a lot of income is there into this kind of industry. So companies like SAP, Oracle, Siebel, PeopleSoft, D.B.Road, Microsoft, they all have their own ERP packages. D.B.Road and Barn are quite good ERP packages which are available. But D.B.Road was taken over by Siebel, and Siebel was again taken over by Oracle. Barn is also again taken over by Oracle. Sorry, D.B.Road was taken by PeopleSoft, and PeopleSoft was again taken over by Oracle. So most of the things are now taken over by Oracle because Oracle could not compete with SAP. Comparatively to SAP today, Oracle's implementation or software cost is much lower. But still people are preparing for SAP because more satisfied customers are there with SAP. And 70% of ERP market is being dominated by SAP in today's ERP market. We are here to talk to you on SAP because they are market leaders and we represent SAP here. So SAP is a software company. They have headquarters at Germany. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products for Data Processing. This is the full form of SAP, Systems, Applications and Products for Data Processing. This SAP company was formed by 5 ex-IBM employees. These employees were working in IBM. They almost quit this job just for the sake of living their own passion. So they started from a small garage, and today the success story was become the third largest software development company of the world with 92,000 companies today using SAP software for their daily activity. SAP is both the name of the product as well as the company. Company name is also SAP AG and the product name is also called SAP. SAP system comprises of number of fully integrated modules. Comparative to any other ERP, they are having more number of modules which is covering each and every aspect of business process of any kind of organization. Till date, they have developed 3 systems in ERP, SAP has developed. The first, earlier stage, they had developed R1 platform, R1 system, which is a basic accounting package similar to the Tally what we use today. That was in 1972-73, they had developed that particular accounting package. Then once mainframe came into existence, they completely transformed their accounting package into mainframe platform. And after 1980s, they came with a server client concept where internet came into existence. So now they are running on the R3 platform, which is server client concept. R3 concept, Y3 architecture is being followed in SAP. The first layer is called presentation server, where anybody feeds his day-to-day data into the presentation server. That is routed through application server, where the ABAP programming language converts it into the programming module and then saves it into the database server. 3-layer architecture is followed in SAP. There are a lot of companies who are associated with SAP now. This is the reason why SAP is being so popular into the ERP market. They have a lot of companies who have become their partners in way of channel partners or service partners or education partners or implementation partners. Implementation partners are responsible for installing or implementing the SAP software in any kind of company. Companies like Satyam, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, HP, Capgemini, Cognizant, all big companies have taken over Satyam. They have got a SAP product from Denmark for 5 years, which is on SAP platform. Majority of the companies, today you talk about HP, you talk about Wipro, everybody, their majority